How to set up a ring engraving. First, you bring this thing, you put the pins in the correct spot, and this will slide in. Make sure it's off. Make sure this is off so it's down when you go to plug it in. Plug it in, twist the screw so it locks in, and then turn this on. So now this is on. This is your angle.
Make sure it's off.
Yeah, make sure it's off when you plug it in. This is your angle. So when you're doing outside, you're gonna be completely flat, 0 angle. When you're doing inside, you can play with it, do different angles. Just choose the angle you want and then just tighten it. That's it. So that's that, and then...
So the flat is down at the bottom. And then for like a 2-3 millimeter thin one, engagement ring, where would you put it?
You could do, it's between 10 to 20. You use your judgment. Sometimes if the head is really wide, you gotta angle it more. You might have to go past 20 even.
Oh, that's right, because you said the head might be...
The head might be in the way, so you gotta literally look at the ring from above and imagine if you're the laser, can you see inside the shank?
Okay.
So this is set up. Then you come into the program, program's open, you click ring, double click ring, and then you just input the outside diameter, the width, and then you choose the finger. The finger, usually we do this flat one, and then you choose if you're gonna engrave the outside or inside. Obviously, if you're engraving outside, input the outside diameter. If you're engraving inside, measure the inside of the ring, input the inside diameter. Once you input that, click OK, lays out your ring for you. And then from here, you can do whatever you want. You can do text, for example, Armando, do text, center it. Let's say we make it a little bit thicker, 0.2, whatever. Thicker, and then we go to engraving. Obviously the beam size is 0.2. Hatching gap will make a little bit smaller so it fills everywhere in between. Check laser ring marking, not regular or black, and then create toolpath. Then you'll see toolpath created. You come in here, over here, this is the loosening and tightening. So loosen it, put the ring on all the way to sit flat against this part. So like this, just make sure it's fully flat.
And then there's the
and tight.
Laser,
yes, I'll show you the laser right now. So make sure this is fully forward. And then, so this laser guide right now is showing you the left and right middle. You can always move this too if you need. You can move this side to side if you need to go a certain area. And then...
How did you move it? Oh,
you just press and hold.
Oh,
press and
got
hold.
it.
Or you can just do very, very few amount, small. And then the top and bottom arrow will show you the beginning and the end of the engraving. So if you need to fit this in a certain area, you can do it like this. And then so you come into here, you click magic laser, opens the menu. Input the power. So usually for engraving, I do like starting at 60 power, and if you need to do deep, obviously increase the power, do more repeats. Maybe turn down the speed a bit, just mess around with it. And then, so this does the first engraving where it's dark, and then cleaner changes the color to white of the engraving. So certain materials require a white, not require, but it's better to do white engraving. It shows better. Sometimes the customers like the white engraving. Sometimes they like only the dark. So you can leave this unchecked.
Oh, okay.
Only do dark, or you can check it, do the dark, and then the cleaning. And then,
okay, because that's why you showed me the white and the
yeah,
dark. Okay.
So, and then when you're ready, just again turn on the vacuum, and then you hit enter twice, and you can start the engraving. And then this was the result. I touched so this is supposed to be white, but I touched it, which darkens it a little bit, but you can see this was going to be white, Privyet, and then Armando, this is the dark.
Cool.
When I steam this, you'll see the difference. So yeah, that's that.
All right. Let's go home before ice gets me.
Little